I will never struggle with my Spanish accent after learning this with JCAB Tutoring. Ready to sound like a pro? Let's get started. One of the biggest hurdles for American Spanish learners is nailing that accent. But guess what? You don't have to be perfect. You just need a few handy tips. First up, roll those R's. It might feel weird at first, but practice makes perfect. Try saying pero instead of pero, or caro instead of caro, to get that roll just right. Next, focus on your vowels. Spanish vowels are short and sweet. For example, the I in gato is always a crispa sound, unlike the wandering sounds in English. Another tip is to listen and mimic. Watch Spanish TV shows or listen to Spanish music. Repeat what you hear. It's a fun way to train your ears and your tongue. Don't forget about those tricky consonants. The L in polo is a sound, not an L. And the J in jigger has a soft sound. Lastly, confidence is key. Speak with flair and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, practice and persistence are your best friends. So there you have it. Roll your R's, sharpen those vowels, and tune your ears. You're on your way to sounding like a Spanish native. Keep practicing and buena suerte. Goa.